The advanced background removal is another technique that is useful for reducing the effects of complex, irregular backgrounds, such as those found on banknotes. It can be used instead of the currency toolbox, or in such cases where that technique fails to provide a good result. In this first example, we have a Vietnamese banknote developed with enhancement. At this point, you may wish to refer to the currency tutorial video before continuing with this technique. To begin, open the enhancement toolboxes and select the irregular tab. At the top of this panel there are 3 features for specific types of backgrounds. However, in this example we will use the advanced section. This advanced option is used to generate an image that we will then blend with our original image to try and reduce the effects of the background. If we first look at the original image, the background that we wish to remove is the dark blue printing, consisting of various buildings and cranes. If this image were black and white, these features would be relatively dark. The ideal result of this process will produce a second image where the background pattern is white. These 2 images can then be blended together. However, we must also consider the fingerprint itself. In this second image, the fingerprint must be black, otherwise this too will also be removed. So in summary, we are looking for an image where the background printing is white but the fingerprint is black. Click Start to begin. This function will generate 6 different images and will also display our original image for reference purposes. It is important to note that in this function we are not looking for the image with the best fingerprint, we are looking for the best image to blend with our original. In some cases the quality of the fingerprint from the chosen image may be very poor. To compare the images more effectively, we can zoom and pan simultaneously. As we can see, in some of the images the fingerprint is black and in others it is white. We must select an image where the fingerprint is black. To aid this, we can invert the images where the fingerprint is white. In this example, there are 3 images that are the correct orientation, where the background is white and the fingerprint is black. Options 1 and 5 look very similar, as does option 3. However, option 3 does look too processed, which may not be the best for blending. Initially, option 4 may appear to be the best result in terms of fingerprint detail. However, for the reasons described previously, this image is not suitable for blending. So therefore, in this example, we can choose either option 1 or option 5. Click Select Image in the irregular panel and choose the desired image. This will automatically close all of the remaining images and display the original image in black and white, and the chosen option side by side. We can then use the Blend 2 Images feature in the irregular panel to blend these 2 images together. Click and drag the horizontal slider to see the left-hand image change as they are blended together. The image on the right will not change. When blending, it is important to focus on the fingerprint, ensuring as much ridge detail is retained as possible, and not to focus solely on removing as much of the background as possible. In this example, a blend of approximately 35 to 40% should be suitable. Click Finish to complete the process. Once again, other enhancements may be performed if desired. In this example, we have another banknote developed with enhancement. Click Start in the irregular tab to generate the 6 images. Once again, we are looking for an image where the background is white and the fingerprint is black. One image seems suitable as the background is white, however the fingerprint is barely visible. This is option 1. Select the image. Blend the images using the same process as shown in the previous example. In this example, a blend of around 40% produces the best results. Click Finish to complete the process.